Okay, so good morning, sponsor Lotto channel followers. This Monday special. Once again, we scan through the paper and then discover this simple move, and I want to draw your attention or take you through this morning. So let's go on event 9:25. Event 9:25 Monday special. 37 dropped. 1 2 3 group non number 63 falls under it. 1 2 3 79. You see, so count to the current. Event 961. Event 961. You see 37 again machine. 1 2 3 group non number falls under it. 1 2 3. You saw 75. So from there, that 37 should be in your mind. From there, counting ways to event 944, event 944. This 63 moves to machine again. So currently to on event on event 783, 783. Event 783, 783, event 783. The 36 moves to 4 box. Move to 4 box. Now because of this 37 and because of this 37, when the 63 moved here to 4 box in machine, you saw 27 as last box and 27 repeated. Currently you saw 64 at last box and that 64 repeated, and 27 and 64, this 27 and this 64 are difference of what? 37. This 37 and this 37. That the 63 and the 36 are under it. Under. So when that happens, the following week, this 63 from 121 drop 58. So this 36 from 121 dropped 85. This 85. So after that, 10 the 63 to 36 as your banker. 10 this 63 to 36 as your banker. So here to 10 your 36. 10 this your 36. 10 it to 63 as banker. So your banker is 63. Banker is 63. Now the number that repeated, add it to it. This 27 that repeated, because 27 and 64 are different. This 37 different. This 37. The 27 moved as banker. So 64 must drop today. So add 64 to your number. Now, but this I prefer this to be the too sure. I prefer this to be the too sure. Now, what is the 79 doing over here? And what is the 75 doing over here? So, when you turn this 36, this is the 3, this is the 3 to 36, subtract it from this 79, you get 43. So the 43 dropped with the 58, and the 79 came with the 36 as a too sure. When you turn, this is the 3 to get the 36. For instance, the 36 that came, 63 moved from here, came here, and turned. So if it's about turning, if it will turn, this 36 from the 79 dropped 43 with this 58. So the 79 came with the 36. In this case, the same thing is happening right here. So if you turn, if this 36 that move from here to this place, to this place, to this place, is turning today to give you 63. Therefore, the 63 from the 75 gave you this 12 on the line. This 12, this 12, this 12, this 12. You see, this 36 moved here, turn it to 63. But from 63 from the 75 will give you what? This 12. Therefore, you must add 75 to the numbers. You must add 75 to the numbers. Let me go over that again. 37. 1 to 3 group 9, 70, 63. 1 to 3, 79. Now, counting ways to even 9, 44. The 63 returns a number repeated at last boss. Currently 37. Then 60, 36 and 1 to 3, 75. You see, so as that, even the 79 drop with 36 over here, 76 over here. So here too, it dropped with 75 drop with 76. You see, so counting ways to current event 783, you saw the 36 moving back to machine 4 box, and the number repeated 64 repeated at last box. Here 27, and I'm saying that the 27 and this 64 are difference of this 37 that we found over here. You see, so 63, this 63 from 121 drops 58 over here. So this 1 to 36 from 121 also drop 85 over here. Therefore, if the 63 10 to 36, you should also turn the 63. You should turn the 36 to 63. So 63 should be your banker today. Should be your banker today. Now I'm saying that the number that repeated came. So 64, add it to this. Add 64 to the numbers. Now, I'm saying that because 79 over here, you see this 79, the 36 that when the 63 turned to 36, the 36 went from the 79 and gave it 43 on the line. You see, and gave it 73 on the line. So gave it 43 on the line. Therefore, the 36 and 79 is the difference of that 43. Therefore, take the 36 73 over there. Yeah, when you come and see. You come and see this 36 that you are turning to get the 63 today. The 63 from the 75 over here will give you this 12 on the line. This 12 on the line. You see, this 12 on the line. This 12. So 63 and 75 will give you a difference of 12. So the 12 first dropped. So if you are turning 63, go and pick the 75 in addition. Go and pick the 75 in addition. Pick the 75 in addition. So you have 63, 64, and 75 as your 3 numbers. But I prefer this number. I just spam the 3 numbers. I prefer 63, 75 as the too short, but just spam the 3 numbers. But the number that repeats the way it repeats on itself is very dangerous. It's a very dangerous move. When a number repeats on itself, don't joke with it. Sometimes it's very dangerous. You see, so that is what I have for you today. But there's something to ongoing over here. The number repeated on the line. So when the 58, there's a group 3 number close to it. That group 3 number repeated. Here it is 84. Here it is 84. So if you want 4 numbers, you can add 84 to it, because the way I saw this group 3 over here and repeated, before you realize this one too will go and bring this group 3 number, this 84 over here, it will just repeat and you will just be there wanting. So I need you to also add this group 3 number, the 84. So basically I have my banker is 63 today. My banker is 63. This is 63 today. 75 added to make 3 numbers, 2 sure. Add 64 to it and add 84 to it. Security. So those of you who have been asking of my banker on the paper, this is my banker on the paper. These are my numbers on the paper. You see, these are the numbers I have on the paper. Sometimes you focus on the paper. We do that one in haste. The draw comes and you have to focus your numbers and send it to the printing press for printing. So you can finish for focusing on the paper and then later discover something new. That is why sometimes you have different numbers on the paper and I present different numbers to you on the platform. But where I've taken my time, discovered something that is very important, you see that the numbers on the paper are the same as the numbers I put on the platform. So bear with me. Thank you very much for another wonderful opportunity. God be with you. God be with you. Thank you very much once again. Great seeing you again. Subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos I put on the platform. This is Lotto channel once again. God be with you.